Yo, what's up guys, welcome to episode 17 of me trading by 50k live count up to 100k, and I've decided to make a little change. From now on I'm only going to be uploading 2 longer videos per week instead of many short ones. Obviously I'm still going to be recording every trade I take, but I'm just going to wait 2 to 3 days until I have enough trades for a longer video, so that way it's a bit less work for me. Today is Monday and my balance is currently at 59k after the loss on Friday, which means I'm around 18% in profit overall. But I've bored you guys long enough, let's get right into the trades. I want to take this reversal long trade at first, and it looked really good with a solid break and a very good rejection, but these candles don't show much momentum and have lots of wicks at the top, so I couldn't take it unfortunately. And I do think it's going to push up now, but I'm just going to keep sticking to my plan. And as you guys can see, it did actually end up pushing up and would have hit my take profit by now, but there was no valid entry down here, so I did everything right and followed my plan. And it's getting pretty late in the day now and I still haven't taken any trades yet. Slow day, so let's get right into the next day. Alright, I've finally entered my first trade of the week. A reversal with textbook price action around the entry. As you guys can see, both of these large green candles have very good wicks at the bottom and no wick at the top. And they swept this liquidity and this liquidity below this candle and also are engulfing candles. So textbook entry. The only negative thing is that the SMA wasn't always respected in recent price action, as you guys can see from this downtrend, but overall I would still consider this a very good trade, so let's just see what it does. As you guys can see, this trade pushed up quickly at first and then just reversed with a huge red candle and took me out for a -1% loss. Not too happy about that obviously, but it's a valid trade, so there's nothing I can do about that. This brings my balance back down to 58.2k, but my win rate is still pretty good despite the 2 losses in a row. Still lots of wins, a lot more than losses, which is always good. And yeah, I'm just gonna get back to the charts and keep you guys updated. The recording is a bit late here because I forgot to press record, but what I basically said is I took this second trade, it's a long trade, a continuation of this uptrend where price bounced off the SMA perfectly, and the trends could be cleaner today, but that's just how it's been for the last 2 days, and I'm happy with the trade overall, so let's hope it's a win. Alright, finally a winning trade again. Went straight up without any hesitation and hit my take profit for 1.5% or a bit less when accounting for commission. This brings my balance back up to 59k. I'm a bit in profit for the week, about 140 bucks, and I also got slipped pretty good. Almost half a pip slippage on my take profit here, so that's always nice. Alright guys, I'm gonna end my day here with those 2 trades. 1 loss, 1 win, a little bit in profit, and maybe I'm gonna hit the 60k tomorrow, so let's get right into the next day and see. Right, we have the next day now and I just took a perfect reversal trade. We've got a clean up and down trend, then a fake move that got liquidated and a strong break and even stronger retest. At first I wanted to enter here, but then it made this large wick, so I had to enter on the second candle. So my stop loss is quite a bit bigger compared to most of my other trades, but then again I think there's more than enough room for it to hit my take profit here. As you guys can see, this trade is another winner. I was never even in a loss, it just went straight up to my take profit. This brings my balance up to almost 60k, just 40 more bucks, so 1 more trade to hit that milestone. And it's pretty early in the day still, so I'm just gonna get back to the charts and look for more trades. Price broke the SMA and is currently making a retest. The rejection is looking good, so I'm currently looking for a bit more momentum, which isn't quite there yet, but if it shows up, that could be a good entry model. It did actually show a lot of momentum, but for me, this candle was actually a bit too big. I would have to have my entry here and my stop loss above the high, so there wouldn't be enough room for my trade, for my take profit, so I'm not gonna take this trade. Could be a win, could be a loss, I don't know, not really sure, but it wouldn't be valid for me, so I'm just gonna stick to my plan and not take these kind of trades and wait for something better. I just entered the second trade of today. This time it's a continuation of this strong uptrend. Well, it's not really a trend yet, but a strong up move that's probably going to become a trend if I'm right. And I really like the rejection and the momentum in my entry candle, and in my opinion this trend is probably going to continue up, so let's just wait and find out. Alright, as you guys can see, after quite a while of messing around here, the trade finally hit my take profit for a 1.5% win. It looked quite bad at first and it almost took me out down here, but then the trend continued and I'm now at 2 wins for the day. And I'm actually gonna end my video here. I'm done for the day. My week is now at 1 loss and 3 wins, so a 75% win rate, and we still have 2 more days in the week. The net profit of this video is a bit above 3%. And my balance is finally above 60k, which I'm very happy about. It's at 60.8k to be exact. And if you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.